You want a drink? They're all thirsty from the cheese and the burger.
Skip looks pretty content with
Yep.
having that birthday burger.
Last night they had ice cream from Linky Tree and Rich. Remember I got the...
Oh! Got a hell of a nip. Boy, that hurts, but I don't mind. Because you're my baby. Yeah, that's right. Happy birthday. Oh my God. What did I do wrong? Huh?
He's trying to relax.
He's biting me.
It's over my soda can. Yeah. Love you. Love this dog. Love. Oh, look. Yeah. I know. I love you. I love you. Look, Skippy. Yeah. He's so cool. Oh, I just love you. Yeah. That's right. Nobody loves you more. You know what? You're the best. You're the best old dog. You're the best old dog. Yeah. Yeah. I love you too. So sweet you are. You gonna bite Papa's nose? Good. Bite it. No? I gotcha, I gotcha, I gotcha. Look, oh, look. I love you. I love you. Papa just loves you. Love you. Okay. Hello. Sweet girl. I will be. It'll be so empty when you're not with me anymore. I love you so much, Skip. I love you. Look at you. Hey, look at you. Huh? Who's the best? Best dog. Absolutely. Oh, up we go, up we go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. Ooh. Yeah. Hello, doggy. I I thought you were gonna give me hugs, but I guess you're still tired, huh? Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. You relax, come on. Oh, come on, Skip. There we are, buddy. There we are. Smile. I love this dog, man. I'd do anything to have him back, man.